This month, members of the channel are eligible to win this Volkswagen drag bus. It's a Redline Club 2024 selections car. As a member of the Redline Club, you vote on different things. You vote on which casting, you vote on the color scheme, you vote on wheels, that kind of thing. I love the drag bus. I've always loved the drag bus casting. This one, metal body, metal base, real riders, weighs a ton. This is a very solid casting. The color scheme, I'm not sure I'm a big fan of that, but it does scream the 80s, 70s, 80s. But anyhow, one of the members of the channel is going to win this. So let's go to the wheel and see who wins. Good luck, everybody. Okay, let's see which one of the members is going to win that Hot Wheels Redline Club 2024 Selections VW drag bus. It always makes me laugh that they have the little S at both ends of selections because of election. The members get to vote on the features of the casting. So anyhow, enough of me babbling. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Joel over at Radio Flyer Diecast. Congratulations, Joel. I'll get this packed up and out in the mail to you.